everybody. Today I'm going to be doing a really cool review on the Smile Direct Bright On LED accelerator light kit thing. I got this for free because I went to the Smile Direct bus to get that free 3D scan, which was super cool experience. Probably gonna like pop up a few photos here. First of all, that bus was like decked out. Like I would definitely be more of a camper if I had that bus. I actually enjoy camping, but like that's like glamping. That's like Malibu camping. They gave me this really cute tote bag that says "Smiling is contagious." It's like a canvas tote, and inside it came the whitening kit. It came with the payment plans, and it came with like things you should know about the company. So that was pretty cool. Also, it came with this actually pretty great chapstick. It looks like an EOS lip balm, but it's not. It says Smile Direct Club, and it's purple, and it's 100% vanilla flavored. Like, they didn't tell me it was vanilla, but like it's like undeniably vanilla. So what I'm gonna do today is I'm gonna unbox this, and then I'm going to try it out and see what's cracking. Alright, so first of all, it says that it comes with the light that's compatible with an iPhone or an Android to like plug it into your phone, or just like a little USB port, which the lady was like, yeah, I've had people tell me they whiten their teeth in their car with the USB port. If you are that freaking busy that you have to whiten your teeth in the car, then this is the thing for you right here, because apparently you can whiten it in the car. Who knows, I might just be that bougie and do it this weekend on my long drive to a wedding that I have. I might do it. My mom's probably gonna be like, please don't. Please don't do that in my car. Sorry, Mom. You gotta do what you gotta do. Oh yeah, by the way, this is Kobe. That's my youngest dog. He is a boxer, mini boxer. He's tiny, but he's really, there's nothing else in him. And then Nugget just jumped off the bed. I don't know where he's at, but he's a corgi. So yeah, it comes with the one whitening pen and then the bright light whitening tray. It says that the formula is mint flavored, works for sensitive teeth, safe on crowns, veneers, and caps. It says no mess brush. You just like brush it on with the pen, and then you can whiten your smile in just 5 minutes. So yeah. Oh, and it says it comes with a traveling case too. Ooh, a traveling case. We're getting fancy now here. Alright, so I'm somehow supposed to take this tape off with no tools. Let me get this thing off. Oh yay, I'm ripping the box. So once I got this open and I like broke the bottom, my bad. This slides open. Oh, well, this slides out first. We'll get to that. And you see, oh, that's kind of cool. The Bright On by Smile Direct case, and I think it's in it, and then that's the little pen. Oh look, my camera has autofocus. Aren't I cool? Camera with autofocus, who am I? Alright, so this little thing says, oh, well, that's fancy. How to use. Brush your teeth before you use the pen. Do not floss. Well, I'm happy to say I brushed. Little embarrassed to say I didn't floss, so maybe that was a good thing. Slowly remove the cap, twist bottom until you drop lid in the brush. Alright. Gently brush on your teeth, 6 top and 6 bottom in a circular motion. Continue to slowly twist the bottom of the pen to dispense more gel as needed. Once you've finished applying the gel, plug your LED light into your phone or a USB port, lightly bite down on the mouthpiece, and pull your lip over the mouthpiece. Wear the light for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, remove the light, spit out excess gel if needed, but do not rinse. This is where I have a problem because I've used a couple of like gel whiteners and they taste horrible no matter what flavor they say they are, so if I can't rinse. Blech. Using lukewarm water, rinse off the mouthpiece, allow the light to dry in a well-ventilated area. Yeah, we do not need any mildew on our mouthpieces. I used to live with a girl that had like that rubber mouthpiece, and she used to like put it in the drawer with like a bunch of other stuff, and it would like grow mildew, and it was so gross, and she still used it. Anyways, do not rinse, eat, or drink for 20 minutes once you are done. Alright, that seems self-explanatory. Oh, give me a nugget. Woo. We got a corgo in the house. Alright. He's like directly behind me. I kind of want to like scoot in between them so you can see both my dogs. I'm that weirdo. I'm sure you're not here to see my dogs, but they add cuteness to the video. Way cuter than I am. Alright, so I've got this mirror thing, because I am not in the bathroom, obviously, to try and do this. So if we just open this, it just kind of falls out low-key. Okay, and it comes with an adapter, so you can plug it into your iPhone, Android, or a USB. Well, I don't know how much this is gonna drain my iPhone battery. Actually, that's a good test. How much does it drain your iPhone battery? Alright, well, I've never been good with wires. Like, I am 20 years old and I have issues. Alright, so I'm gonna plug it into the adapter, and I'm going to take my handy dandy iPhone and plug it in. Does it like start up immediately? Holy crap, that's a lot brighter than I actually anticipated. Do we see this? I'm in front of sunlight. That is bright. Alright, so now that I know it works, we're going to first see what... My phone is at 83%. We're starting at 83. And at the end of 5 minutes, we will see where my phone battery is at. Alright. Cap off. Can we stop autofocusing? Okay. Cap off. Twist until you see a little glob of whitening on the tip. Just gonna continue twisting. Alright, I see a glob. Kind of. I'm also not wearing glasses or any kind of thing. Alright, so once this is on my teeth, I'm sure I'm not going to talk very well, so I'm just going to brush it on the 6 front and 6 bottom in circular motions, put the light in, turn it on, and start a timer for 5 minutes. Ready, and cue music. So I went to the bathroom and I like spit out my accumulating drool, and I rinsed off the mouthpiece really well with warm water. I was actually really surprised because I've done a lot of like the gel whitening, and usually it's like it leaves like gunk and there's like this gross flavor. It says that the pen is like mint flavored. I wouldn't say it's mint flavor. I actually wouldn't say it has any flavor, which is really great. I didn't rinse with water, which it said not to, and I didn't feel like I needed to. Like, I literally just like spit, was like, huh, clean. So I don't know if I'm gonna like get results right away, but handy dandy mirror. Yeah, I wouldn't say they're any whiter, so I don't know how well it works, because I don't think that any proper tool you'd get results right away in 5 minutes. It says you can do it twice a day for 5 minutes. So after a week, I'll probably do like a week review. But for now, it's super easy to use, it's super cool looking, and I actually kind of enjoyed having it in there and playing around with the light. So yeah, overall I think the product's pretty well made. Oh, and it only made my phone go down by 3%, but I was also playing on it, so it could have gone down by like 1 or 2, and me just playing on it made it go down an extra couple. But yeah, besides that, I give it a 2 thumbs up. Shout out to the free product they gave me and the really awesome chapstick and goodie bag overall. So yeah, come back in a week to figure out if it actually does what it says it does. Oh yeah. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you had as much fun as I did filming this. Peace.